Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I will teach you how you guys can log into your JetBlue account. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for JetBlue login just like this. And after you search for JetBlue login, first option where it says sign in, click on it and make sure it takes you to www.jetblue.com. Now that's the official URL for the official website of JetBlue, alright? So make sure you're in jetblue.com, and once you're in this website where it says email, you need to enter the email of your account. So whichever email you used when you created your JetBlue account, enter that, and where it says password, enter the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, where it says sign in, you want to click on it. Once you do that, if the email and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log into your JetBlue account. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can click on this in order to recover it as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.